welcome to Craft Little Things. I'm Andrew, thanks for joining me today. I've got something a little bit different today. Normally I share with you my crochet and my paper crafting, but I do occasionally share other crafts that I take part in or I indulge myself in, and one of those is jewellery making. I think I might have at least shared some jewellery that I've made before. I might not have done a video, I might have promised to do a video and never got around to it. Anyway, a company contacted me recently and asked me if I'd like some free stuff in exchange for a fair and honest review, and so that company was BB Crafts, which I'll leave a link to below, and of course I said, yeah, I'll have some freebies and I'll do a review, so that's what I did. Now I chose things that might be useful for beginners, that I thought might be of interest to people who haven't made jewellery before. So that's the kind of theme to this. And what I'm going to do is I've had a quick look through the products, but I haven't had a proper look. I'm going to have a quick, more in-depth look through the products now with you, tell you how much they cost, tell you how long it took for me to get them and things like that, and also then I'm going to make a few of the items and do a bit of a tutorial. That'll be a separate video. Okay. So the box, it came really nicely boxed and in decent condition. It did come from, I think it came from China. Yeah, it came from China. And yeah, it had a little bit of a dent in it, but who cares? It didn't damage anything inside. Everything was nicely wrapped inside in bubble wrap and in its own packaging. So there was no harm done there. Like I said, I went for 3 packs. I think it took about 2 weeks to arrive, probably less, 10 to 14 days probably. Right, so like I said, I ordered kits, so I'll show you the biggest kit first. So I got 3 kits. Okay, I could choose whatever I wanted, and I just thought that this was the best thing to choose. So let me just move the box out of the way. I'm going to actually leave it there because it's stopping the sun. It's a really sunny day. It's stopping the sun from glare, making a glare on the desk. So this first kit, let me just see, I've written in the price, was $25.68. It's quite a comprehensive kit. It comes with a necklace design board, or a bead design board. And what these are is you pop, to get symmetry with your work, with a bracelet or a necklace, you pop your beads into this little channel here, and then you can take them off and thread them through your string, and you can leave your beads and your findings and you can leave your beads, your chain or whatever you're using, your twine, you can leave your clasps and stuff in these little spaces, so that you can design your piece and make it easier for you to make. So it comes with one of those. It's about a size A4, probably a little bit bigger than an A4. And then the kit also comes with this, which is marvellous. It's in a little case, so it's nice and easy to store. And it's a toolkit, a jewellery making toolkit. Everything you could need is in here. There's a little trimmer there, like a little Stanley knife type trimmer, or craft knife type trimmer. There's a little thing here that helps you to bend things around. There's all different types of pliers that you need. So these help to pull things apart. They're as intricate or as not intricate as you like. These are little cutters. They'll cut your wire or your chain. This one's a little brad. This can pierce things for you. Tweezers, so you can pick things up easily to work with, because things get very fiddly with jewellery making. So you've got the angled tweezer there, which make it easy to pick things up that way, and then you've got the very pointed tweezer there that help you to pick up and also help you to open up and whatever with little rings. These are stainless steel and they're quite a nice size as well. Look how nice and long they are. They're really good. And then you've got a little tiny, this little tiny hook. Can you see that? And that's useful for threading things through and pulling things through. And then these gorgeous snips, really sharp, super sharp for cutting threads and things. So yeah, so you've got a nice little toolkit. Comes with this full set of clasps. If you're not sure what they're for, let me just do in a nice little plastic box that you can, that can go in the recycling. A nice little plastic box that you can keep them in so they don't lose them all over the place. These type of clasps are if you're working, say, with leather or fabric, and you squeeze the ends in between those, then you put your clasp through the end there. These are clasps that you're probably more familiar with, the lobster clasp, where you flick them down and they go into a loop. Oops. These are little dividers for the drawer, so you can make them whatever size you want. There's some smaller ones of those. These are jump rings. There's really small ones, and then there's bigger, bigger and bigger. So they can be used for joining things together, or they can be used to formulate the other part of your clasp. And then you've got little tiny rings here with seed beads on them. Then the next thing you've got in here is here you've got elastic string, which is strong and stretchy. Let me just see how much. These little plastic bags never get thrown away with me. Anything that is a Ziploc gets used with me. So this is really super stretchy string, so you can make bracelets with it, bangles that go over your wrist. You can even make rings with it. Really nice and useful. And then this is a much thicker. This is what you'd use more often. I'll just get some scissors. Oh, I'll use the snips that came with it. All very good quality as well. This is crystal string, super stretchy and very strong. This is more like, this one feels more like a fabric, even though it is rubbery. But this one feels much more, it feels like silicone, and it's not as stretchy, but it's a bit stronger. So that's probably better for bracelets that are going to be stretched all the time. Okay, so you get all that in that part of in that kit, which will say is £20-something. But once you've got all of that, you don't need to buy it again, unless, like me, you want to do classes and things, and so having an extra kit comes in handy. To be honest with you, I'm pretty novice to, well, I'm not novice, I've been doing it for a while, but I've taught myself. I use this to bend metals around and things, but you can also use it. Another thing I use it for is to like trap things, so I can hold them while I'm working on them, but I don't even know what it's for. I thought, is it a ring sizer? But I don't even know what that's for, so it'd be useful for me to find out what it is. But that's what I use it for. Right, so the next kit I got was this little kit that makes leather bracelets, and I thought this was really cute. This was £7.45, and it comes in a little bag with everything you need, and you get a little instruction booklet with it. I'm going to make a couple of these in the next video. And you get your different types of suede leather. So you've got pink, a nice sort of olivey green, a bright purple, and a navy blue. And then you also get a little bag of tassels with a big pearl there. Can you see that? Let me just zoom in a bit so you can see what you get. So you get a big pearl and the little tassels. You get these lovely beads here, these ones, and you get these kind of like the Pandora type beads. You get these big rings. You get some clasp chains. They're really nice. The little safety chain. Yeah, so you get all sorts of little bits and bobs. Look at those lovely little hearts. Is it focusing? Yeah. They're just so cute. So cute. And there's all sorts in there. So I think you get roughly, I think there's 2 of each in there. And then you also get another little bag. These are so handy because like when you drop things like I'm doing, they don't roll away because it's suede, and they you don't lose them on the floor. And then you get these large charms. There's like the infinity sign, there's a musical note, intertwined hearts, a little tree of life. There's like a longer one of those Pandora type. You can roll up a message and pop it in there, make that into a necklace. There's a little horse, there's a shell, there's a made with love sign. I've got loads of those in my stash. There's a little key, and what's this one? A starfish. So those also come with it, and I think they're all in Tibetan silver, so they don't tarnish, and they're really durable, nice and hard, they're not going to bend. Oh, I've forgotten, you also get blue and a white in the leather, so that's really lovely. And like I say, get your instructions, and that's all for £7.45, all in great condition, really useful. And I'm going to actually make one of these, like I said, or a couple of these in my next video. So let's just pop all that back in there. And the next thing I got was this little kit for making Christmas earrings. Now this was £6.54, and they've got tons of Christmassy themed stuff on their website right now. If you go and have a look, the link's below. And again, this one comes in a nice little plastic box. It's got instructions with it on what you can make, and you've got enough to make every single one of these pairs of earrings. So that's 7 pairs of earrings. Here you get the, oh it's so cute, everything's in a little box. You get the pieces that go through your ear are here. You've got a little felt bag to keep your bits and bobs in. You get little jump rings to add your charms to, and then you also get your charms. I'll just show you these because they're so cute. You've got little green Santas there. Do you know Santa was originally green? Coca-Cola made him red. And then a little snowman and woman. You've got a little cute little stocking. A bigger Santa. That they're too big for me to wear as earrings, but not for everybody. Gorgeous little Christmas trees and snowflakes and little bells. So cute. And they're all included in the kit, and the jump ring and the earring itself. You don't necessarily have to make earrings with them if you don't want to. You can make key rings with them, you can make whatever you wanted. I'm going to make a couple of pairs up, and I'm going to do something else with one of them as well. Make it into something else. But yeah, there's your Christmas earring making set. Now, how lovely if you made a cute little box. Now we'll show you how to make a cute little box for your earrings as well, and for your bracelets. You could make your own cute little box. and gift it to somebody, a totally handmade gift that you'd put together yourself. So as I said, that's BB Craft. Thanks so much to them for reaching out to me and asking me if I'd like to work with them and show you some of what they do. And yeah, definitely recommend. Excellent customer service from them. And like I say, the products are really good quality, and we'll see how they work in the coming videos. So take care, thank you very much. If you have any questions, or if I've not explained anything properly, just get the focus back. There we go. If I'm not explaining anything properly, then just ask below, and I'll do my best to help you. Or you can go directly to BB Craft and have a look at what they've got on offer. They've got some gorgeous things. Okay, thanks for joining me today, and I'll see you again very soon. Bye bye.